Grandma.
Hi, Tristan. What are you doing?
I am riding a machine.
What kind of machine?
Oh, it's a sliding walk machine.
Oh, what's it for?
It's for walking.
Is
You're
it?
supposed to step on it and walk, slide.
Does it make you stronger?
Yeah.
Does it make your legs hurt after a while?
No.
If you do it very long, it will.
Yeah. But it doesn't hurt mine when I do.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Are your feet hot?
No.
I just wondered because you've had those boots on ever since we've been here.
Yeah, there's no boots. We can do it with 1 foot. Oh, I've stopped. Oh, I'm doing backwards.
Backwards?
I'm going backwards.
Oh my goodness, you are, aren't you? Is that harder?
Yeah, it's harder, but when I go frontwards, it's easier. Sometimes I go faster and I go, ah, and with 1 foot. Sometimes I really think,
You're funny. You're being silly. Silly girl. I'm gonna turn you off, girl.
Quit.
I'm gonna turn you off.
Not yet.
What are you gonna do? You gonna sing me a song?
Yes, twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Let's hear it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
I would clap for you, but then I couldn't take the picture anymore.
Nope, because it would be hard.
So I'll just smile at you and say, I love you, Tristan. You did a nice job.
And I would say, I love you too.
Thanks.
And you'd say thank you. Oh, I'm going to do it. I'm going down doing it without 1 foot. See?
I do see. You know what? I think it's time to find Grandpa and Daddy.
Why?
Because, say goodbye.